Hello guys, my name is James and today we are going to talk about this bike. It's a Suzuki TF125, and so before we delve into that, we are going to talk about something that is much more important, and that is the motorcycle riding gear. And so for the riding gear, there is the full set of riding gear and there is the most basic riding gear. So for the most basic, there are three things. We have the boots, we have the helmet, and we have the riding jacket. It is very imperative to be cautious and to be ready for anything, because as we all know, things happen on the road. So we're going to go to the boots. And so my boots are so big, but there is a smaller option out there, but it costs you. So mine are armored, so you can see this. It's like a socks. So I just slide into it and then I wear it. It's very armored and it's going to protect your legs. So I'm going to get rid of my Crocs. The second thing is a riding jacket. Many people prefer leather, but I prefer mine to be canvas. It's armored. It has an elbow guard. It even has a guard at the back, like a hump. So I'm going to put it on. It is a bit heavy for a normal jacket. Yeah. So it has a zip. Come across some bananas. There's enough pocket for your phone. So that is basically my jacket. And the other thing is the helmet. So this is, I say, probably the cheapest, but we have expensive ones and they are so nice, they are so comfortable. Mine is a half face, so there's no protection on the chin, and it has a visor to help with the wind. Yeah, so basically that is all about safety gear. So remember, we need you in 2023, so you be safe. Have these things or even more. I put on the helmet. I'm going to talk about the bike. So this is my first bike, Suzuki TF125. You don't need to have so much expectations of this bike. If you're into speed, you're going to get disappointed. It is, let's say, basic bike, but it has endurance. So mine is a 124cc engine. It is a two-stroke. So two-stroke means under the seat there's this tank here where I buy two-stroke oil, and then there's a fuel tank, then there's a transmission oil over there. So the bike is not so fast, but basically it was meant for off-road riding. You see the front fenders, they are so big, so they'll help you with the dirt. They're going to help you not to have mud on you. The bike has 6 gears, so 6 gears basically. And it has a reed valve, it has a carburetor. The brakes are all drum, front and rear. Wheels are spoked, the wires, just like on a bicycle. I love them that way. I love my wheels with spokes. The other thing, I might say the disappointing part on this bike is the electric system. The electric system is 6 volt. So basically when you are riding at night, it is very dim. So I always avoid riding at night because the lighting, the headlights, they're not so bright. So that is basically it.